This stands traditionally one of MegaCon's highlights. In London now, is it going to be bigger and better? Let's go find out. Good start, particularly love the Cybermen heads, especially with all the details on the inside. There's a whole lot more highlights coming up. Hello Explorer, I'm incredibly tired today. I crawled out of bed at 5 AM to head down on this shiveringly cold day to see what the first MegaCon in London is all about. So I really hope it's worth it. Should MCM be looking over its shoulder? That's what we're going to find out. That although this is the first MegaCon in London, it's not the first time the team behind it have been here. They previously ran the old MCM events before they sold it to Reed Pop, so they should hopefully know what they're doing. It's about a third of the size of MCM London, and it's busy, but it's definitely not crowded, so it's pretty easy to get around and see everything. I assume this is a bit of a test to see how a London event goes down. Maybe it'll be a bit bigger in the future, but there's certainly a lot here, particularly a lot of stalls. Let's go see what's there. I know I claimed my Christmas tree was complete, but when I saw that Ken bauble, it looks totally ridiculous. I really love it. It's been an excellent addition to my tree, but that's definitely the last one now. Is there a rumble in the force? Is there something strange going on in the neighbourhood? What am I talking about? Let's go have a look. Top Fest. It seems to be much smaller than previously, and mostly just seems to be made up of lots of backgrounds for cosplay photos. Here's an exclusive for you. Pop vinyls, mystery boxes, out the window. No one wants those anymore. It's all about 3D printed tat. Stuff you definitely don't really need. Mostly colourful dragons that are all linked together like little chains. They're on loads of the stalls. Hopefully it's not a sign of things to come. That'd be a shame. It's a very similar event to MegaCon Birmingham, so they've got a long way to go before it's rivaling MCM London, but I'm curious to see if they try and grow it. But on the whole, good first effort. Am I right? Let me know below. But otherwise, click left if you want to see the last MegaCon I went to, or click right in probably a couple of weeks to see a special video that is actually a gift for you.